guess what, man? This is the greatest family, the Yoshida family. Hey, but who's the fastest and greatest cook?
The man in the pan.
All right, big chunk of the man in the pan. Welcome to the man and the pan. I'm going to replay one of my favorite video segments created 7 years ago to honor the Yoshida's family. I didn't own my fantastic pan I use today. I prepared large ahi fish eye. Aloha! I'm going to do something real special for you. All you need is a frying pan. And in the frying pan, adding some sugar, right? And with the sugar, you add in some soy sauce. About almost equal parts, okay? Then you put in a lot of mirin. Okay? Yeah. Put in mirin. Okay? Then to that you add in some ginger. Okay? Just like this. And I'll put this on the stove and I'll heat it up. So what I'm gonna cook is fish eyes. See these fish eyes there? Unbelievable. I get everything heated up here. When the sauce is ready, it's piping hot, okay? Everything is melted. I'll grab the fish eyes, you wash it really good now. This is fish eye. Okay, you put it down inside the pan, fish eyes facing up, okay? Just like this. See that? Okay. Then I'm gonna let it go. In the meantime, I chop some daikon to bring some extra flavor to the eyes. And put it in here, okay? The daikon helps to reduce the fishy smell of the fish and absorb the flavor of the sauce. Cover it. Let it simmer for a while and we'll be right back. Okay, I think it's just about finished. Here you go, man. You can tell when the fish eye is finished, it starts popping out of the socket. Just like this, okay? Putting some daikon in here. Okay, now here's the true taste test. Get all the gelatin in here. It's so good. Look at that, right there. Man, fish eye. Oh, oishii narimasu. On sale. So to the Yoshida family, that's how the hosts of Seniors Living in Paradise George Yoshida wanted it. We want dishes that was fast, tasty, simple, but more so funny. Next week we see you on The Man in the Pan. Oh, I see.